Term 3, Unit 7, Information Processing, Part 1. In this session, we are going to learn under the heading of split bigger task into smaller known tasks, then activity and also factor bingo. So, here is the situation. Karkuil and Kailvili are sisters. Their mother asked them to arrange their cupboards. Karkuil arranged her cupboard within 10 minutes, while Kailvili couldn't arrange them. When Kailvili asked Karkuil about this, she told her that she had split the task of arranging the cupboards in two smaller tasks, namely sorting the things and keeping the things in shelves. Karkuil could complete the work in less time and easily also. So here is the situation. Now you can understand, I think, whatever task, how the task is harder doesn't matter. If you sort the things and arranging the things in an order, sure it will be easy to do that work, right? So that is the concept in this. So second situation, Mugilan is the secretary of the math club in his school. The principal of the school has announced for a quiz competition and Mugilan is given the in charge of arranging for the competition. So write the task to be done by Mugilan. So listen children, if you are a student and in higher classes you may be lead a competition like this. Okay. So that time you have to split the task, so it will be easy to do that work. Okay, so let us see. First, fixing number of participants in each team, right? So you can segregate many team and in that each team we have to fix the number of participants, right? Second, allowed number of teams from a class. So in from each class we have to select particular number of students. Okay. Third, informing students about competition. So competition, how basic is or under the concept, we have to inform to the students, right? Fourth, who is the quiz master? Yes, we have to fix the quiz master also. Fifth one, number of rounds. Yeah, it is very important. So sometimes A team may be lead first and sometimes C team may be come first. So we need to fix more rounds so that we can conclude easily. Sixth one, prices and distribution. That's very important. So like this, if we split our work into small steps, that harder task also will be very easy for you, right? So here is one situation. So first let us read. Consider the situation. William's birthday is on Wednesday. His father asked his sister Puvili to arrange for the party. She is happy to do it but doesn't know how to arrange for the party. Her father suggested her to first break the event into smaller tasks and complete those tasks one by one. So Puvili thought that this way she could easily arrange for the party. If you are Puvili, what would be tasks you will plan for? Write the smaller task which you will arrange. So here I am going to give some tasks. So after completing this task, you can add one or two more. That's your wish. Okay. Let us start. First one, set a budget. Yes, that's very important. For money is very important. How much money we are going to spend for this party. Second one, allot the place the party will be happened. It might be at home or in mini hall, whatever maybe. You can fix the place. Third one, ordering cakes for the birthday baby and also for the participant. Yes. We need to cut the cake and also we have to share the cakes to the friends and participants. Right? Fourth one, decorate the hall. So it's very important task. We need to decorate the hall. Whatever place, doesn't matter, we have to decorate that. Fifth one, arrange the dinner. Yes. Sixth one, fix the main celebrant. So that's very important. Seventh one, invite the friends. So here I have given 7 tasks. You can add 2 or 3 more also. Okay, try. Among 50 books, orderly by number on them in 5 hours. So here is the one more activity. Elilan and Inian has been asked to arrange 2 sets of 50 books, each in 2 bookshelves of a library. The books were numbered from 1 to 50 and there are 5 shelves in each cupboard. Elilan arranged 10 books in each shelf at once, while Inian placed 1 book at a time in each of the 5 shelves. Which is the easy way to complete the work and who will arrange the book quickly? So think that both are arranging but both are in different mindset, right? So Elilan's arranged 10 books in each shelf at once. Is it possible? Carrying 10 books? Little bit hard, isn't it? And Inian placed 1 book at a time in each of 5 shelves. So only 1 book means it will take time, right? So what can we do? Arranging 5 books in each shelf at once is the earliest way to complete the task, right? Like this, for that current situation, we have to do smart, right? The teacher gave a number board to Imayan and Varman. Then he asked them to pick out the factors of the number 36, 28 and 40 from the number board. Imayan used different notation for each number. He circled the factors of 36, drew triangles for the factors of 28 and drew squares for the factors of 40. But Varman circled the factors of all the 3 numbers. Whom do you think will complete the task of picking out the factors of each number easily? Justify your answer. So here is one question. Just compare both Imayan and Varman. So Imayan used different notation, isn't it? Because we have 3 different numbers, 36, 28 and 40. So if we fix separate notation means it will be easy to visible and easy to differentiate, right? But Varman circled all the factors, right? So if all notice the circle means sure we will be confused. So Imayan is the correct choice. Imayan's way of approach is easy way. This is the answer mark. We can pick up the factors easily by drawing different shapes, right? So circle, this is the factor of 36 and factor of 28. Then last triangle, the factor of 40. Like this, whatever task given, if we do like this smart way, it will be easy to do the work in an easy way, right? Activity 3 mark. Sort the factors of 40, 72 and 75 from the number board given below. So here is the number board. So among these numbers, we are going to sort the factors of 40, 72 and also 75, right? So first fix the shape. It will be easy, okay? So circle, I am going to give circle for 40 and rectangle for 72 and triangle for 75. You can select any other choice also, diamond or any other, right? Okay. So first let us start from factor of 40. So I am going to start from 1. Yes. Whatever number you have to start from 1 so that it's easy. Okay. 1 into 40. Yes. 1 into 40, 40 only. So these two are the factors of 40. So circle it first. Fine. So number 1 okay. Now 2. So 2 into, yes, you are right. 2 into 20. Okay. So 22 is 40 only. Good. So mark that 2 and 20. Very good. Then come to the 3 times table. No. In 3 times table we won't get 40. Right. So leave it. Then come to the 4 times table. Yes, you are right. 4 into 10, 40, isn't it? So let us write that and circle here 4 and 10. Okay. Then whether this 40 is in a 5 times table? Yeah, you are right. It is in the 5 times table also. So 5, what's are 40? 5 8s are 40. Right? Good. So mark it 5 and 8. Then 6 table is not there and 7 table also is not there. 8. So already we mark it, isn't it? So 8 into 5. Once again we get the same answer only. So that's it. So let us move to the factor of 72. Now let us start from 1. Okay. Yes. 1 is here but we don't have 72. Anyway 1 is also the factor of 72 ma. So mark it 1. Then 2 table. Yes, in 2 times table also we get the 72 as an answer, right? Okay. So 2 we can mark it, but we don't have the pair of 2. But 2 36 only. 2 36 or 72 is the answer, but 36 is not here. But 2 is the factor of 72. So mark it this 2 also. Then 3 times table. Yes. 3 24s are also 72. So mark that 3 and 24 mark. 4 times table, yeah, we have that 4 18 so 72. So 4 and 18 is here, so we can mark it. Then in 5 times table, no, sure it's not in 5 times table, because in 5 times table that answer should be ended with 5 only, 5 or 0, isn't it? So 5 tables won't come. Then 6 table, yeah, 6 tells are 72. So 6 and 12 is here, so mark that 2 numbers. Then 7, no way, not possible. So let us move to the 8 times table. Yes, 8 9s are also 72, isn't it? 8 and 9 is here. So we can mark it with rectangle shape. So now you can judge with the rectangle and also with circle, isn't it? Right. So now let us move to the one more factor, 70. So for 75, yes, as usual, 1 is the factor for all the numbers, right? So let us fix the number 1. Then in 2 times table, no, it's not possible. 3 times table, yes, we have to mark it here, isn't it? Okay, now 3 times table also is there. 3 into 25, we have 75 more, but 25 is not in this number board, but 3 also one of the factors, so I have marked it. Then 5 times table, yes, that's it I think. 5 into 15 also 75, so mark this 5 and 15. So that's it. Now 3 factors are here, but it's showing with a different notation. Now it's easily understood, isn't it? Okay.